Hello everyone, my name is Ashley Thuthao Keng and today I'm going to explain my doctoral research in about 3 minutes. In the last few years, there's been a number of studies looking at how people in Cambodia are using traditional Khmer medicine, or TKM. However, these studies have had conflicting results, which makes the status, role, and trajectory of TKM rather unclear. Understanding how people perceive, access, and use TKM is important because it allows us to holistically address health disparities in places where TKM might be the only form of healthcare available, such as rural areas. Given that lots of TKM remedies are made using foraged and gathered plants, studying TKM can give us a glimpse into what surrounding ecological conditions shape relationships between people, environments, diets, as well as health and healing. In a way, it allows us to study the human ecological dynamics between these entities. In this study, I asked, in what ways do human ecological instabilities caused by seasonality, maternity, and the COVID-19 pandemic shape how rural populations living in Siem Reap Province, Cambodia, use and consume food medicines? In order to answer this, I headed to Siem Reap to do some fieldwork from February 2020 to July 2020 with my two collaborators, Thuthao Keng and Siem Reap. We spoke to 40 people ages 20 to 76 years old living across 10 villages and 4 communes in the Siem Reap municipality district through interviewing. 34 of them were women, 6 were men, and 4 were TKM practitioners. Our study identified 130 different plant species. 67 were matched with scientific names, while the remaining 63 only had local Khmer names. These plants are used as general health care treatments, maternity medicines, and also are eaten within household diets. We also identified 18 TKM food medicines, meaning dishes or standalone edibles eaten to protect or improve one's health. We found that a majority of people reported using exclusively TKM or a mix of TKM and Western biomedicine for healthcare, demonstrating how pervasive TKM is overall in the area. In regard to instabilities caused by seasonality, we found that there is an extensive substitution protocol in TKM to account for the seasonal unavailability of certain species or plant parts, and that these altered remedies are still very effective. For instabilities caused by maternity, we found that TKM was the preferred choice of treatment for people during maternity, and that there were specific regimens for different stages. Lastly, we found that instabilities caused by the COVID-19 pandemic seemingly bolstered the importance of the TKM system overall, with 52% of study participants saying that they would use it on its own or with Western biomedicine to prevent and treat the virus. In summary, the TKM system is a widely used, highly flexible, and accommodating form of healing that has a range of customizable remedies which values food and medicine equally and the relationship synergistically. Its use is not deterred by changes generated by seasonality, maternity, or the COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you.